Hello everyone, welcome to the XoroERP pricing rule tutorial. We're going to cover in this tutorial how to create a pricing rule. So let's pull up the module from the search menu. And from here we're going to create a pricing rule. So let's go ahead and give this pricing rule a name. I'm going to call it max discount. And you can either choose pricing level or restriction. A level is a suggested price that you can have for an item, and a restriction is basically how you want to control at what price the item is sold. So let's go ahead, choose restriction. I can apply this restriction to a customer or a customer group which has many customers in it, or anyone. Let's go ahead and select anyone in this case. You can apply it to any item, a brand of item, so many items, an item group, or an item in particular. Let's go ahead, let's actually select a particular item. And what we're going to want to do here is select the price adjustment type. So let's go ahead, choose markup, and we're going to make it less than or equal to, let's say 25%. And let's call it the average cost. You can select a date range here, so orders that are only within this date range, this pricing rule is going to apply to, and only when this item is sold within this quantity range will this pricing rule apply. So you can put a quantity range here too if you would like. So once everything's been selected, go ahead and click Save, click OK, and the pricing rule has been created.